Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a new topic, that is the Coviself. So this is the country's first home testing kit for COVID-19. So this is a kit which can be used by anyone and everyone who is suffering from this disease, that is COVID-19, and the results of this can be with you within 15 minutes, which can be easily downloaded. So let me give you an insight of this particular Coviself kit, which was developed by a company in Pune. So coming to the table of contents, today I will let you know a little bit details on this particular kit, who should use it, how to conduct this test, are these tests valid, how do you test if this test is valid or invalid, how to document this particular results, how they actually do the documentation part, what are the few drawbacks of this particular kit, and few takeaway messages. So coming to this kit that I told you, that is Coviself. It is a kit that has been developed by MyLabs Discovery Solutions, which is a Pune based company. So this kit is already approved by ICMR, and this is the only kit that is developed by our country that can be used for testing COVID-19 at home. And the results you will get within 15 minutes, and this works on the basic principle of RAT, that is the rapid antigen test. Okay, so who should exactly use this test? So if you feel that you are symptomatic to this particular disease, then only you should use this test. And again, if you feel that you are in close contact with someone who has already been infected by this and they have been confirmed positive by a lab confirmed report, then even you can use this test. So for these purposes only this kit has to be utilized. So in this particular kit, what they have designed in such a way that you need not require a nasopharyngeal swab, but just simple nasal swab is sufficient to get your results, and definitely there is no need of any healthcare professionals use here, because you yourself can do this test at home. So coming to the kit, how it looks like. So this is the image showing you the kit, and these are the different things that you will see within the kit. Okay, so this is the testing card, and this is the sample extraction tube, which has a buffer within, which is used for extracting the sample into the liquid. And this is the strip within which you will have a string of plastic, which will have a cotton swab, which is used for sample collection. And then you have a plastic bag, which is the biohazard bag. After conducting the test, you are supposed to put everything in this particular bag. So you have to conduct this test, for which you require a clean place. So you have to search for a clean place. You have to sanitize the place along with sanitization of your hands, so that your hands are clean. And then you can use a nasal swab. Okay, so using the string that I told you, the plastic strip with the cotton swab, you have to open the strip and use it in such a way that you do not touch the cotton swab. This is the most important thing. You should not contaminate that cotton swab, and the cotton swab should be used for the nasal swab collection. So you can gently swirl it in your nose, and it should reach around 2 to 4 centimeters, and till you get some restriction, till that point you can try to collect the sample, and you can swirl it for 4 to 5 times in each nasal nostril of yours, and you can do it for the second nostril also. And once you swirl this, you're supposed to put this sample that you have collected into the extraction tube. So you can open this lid and put this strip that you have collected the sample into the extraction tube, and once you put it in the extraction tube, there is the plastic strip that I told you. It is easily you can cut it. So you can cut that strip to the top in such a way that the liquid part and the strip which is dipped in the cotton, that is in the extraction tube, and the remaining part you cut it with your hand. So now you have the cut part that is with the cotton swab in the tube, which will have the sample in case the viral samples, in case you're suffering from this disease. So that is dispensing the sample from the cotton swab to the buffer. So next what you have to do is you have to drop 2 drops of this particular sample into the test card. Okay, so there is a slot where you can load the sample. So you have to put 2 drops of this into the test card, and you have to wait for 15 minutes to get your results. Okay, so as I told you, you do not require a nasopharyngeal swab in this particular case, and they have seen a lot of discomfort in this kind of nasopharyngeal swab collections. So this is a better option in comparison with the previous RAT kits that we have. So this is how your results will look like. So after 15 minutes, you will get a purple line. Okay, so you can see there is a control and the test. Okay, so this is something like your pregnancy kits. We have seen a lot of pregnancy kits of this kind. Similarly, they have tried to use that same concept to develop a COVID-19 kit here. Okay, so a purple line is always seen in a control space, whereas a purple line, if seen in the test region, that tells that the person is positive. So in case you have a purple line in control but do not have a purple line in the test region, that within 15 hours, okay, that is the most important thing. You have to get this result within 15 hours. Sorry, not 15 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, so in case you do not get within this 15 minutes, then the test is said to be invalid. And if you do not get a purple line in the test line here, so that also tells you that the person is negative. Okay, so in case you do not get a line, the purple line within 15 minutes, and still you feel that you have symptoms for this particular disease, then definitely this may not be capable of identifying the low viral load. Okay, so if your initial stage of COVID infection and your viral load is very, very low, then this kit may not have the capability to identify it. So in that case, you will definitely have to go for the gold standard, that is RT-PCR, okay, which will help you in analyzing the sample even when the viral load is too low. Or even you can go for the biomarkers test, that is the simple blood test to check for your CRP levels. To know more about this, I've already made a video, you can just watch that. So coming to how this test kit is, the results of this is documented. So basically, once you get this kit home, the person who is suffering from COVID-19, he feels that he's suffering, he can get this kit home to test it, and these are usually done by symptomatic patients, as I told you. So he will use the kit, and he has to download a particular app of this by which is easily available in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and the app is developed based on the artificial intelligence. So you can, they have given you a detailed instruction how to use it, and they have an option where you can click the image of your particular sample once you have done the test, and the result can, the pic can be uploaded. And once you upload the pic, they will send you the report of your particular individual within some time. So the report can be easily downloaded from their link that they provide. Same time, the same details that you fill in initially and the image what you give and the report will also be uploaded in the ICMR portal by the company. So the confidentiality will be maintained, but the result will be also uploaded in the ICMR portal. So this is basically for tracing the patients. So when is the result invalid? So as I told you, if you do not get the results within 15 minutes and you see that there is no purple line even in the control. So any kit to tell that is a valid result, you should always get a purple line in the control. If you do not get even in the control, that means the kit is not valid and the result is also not valid. So coming to the drawbacks of this particular kit, so this can be false negative when the viral load is too less, as I told you. So in that case, this kits may not be useful. And one more thing is, if you do not do the sample collection properly, that may also give you a negative or the false result, for which you will have to check on your symptoms. So definitely, if you have the symptoms and if you still feel you have not got a positive test here, don't feel happy. You can just do a RT-PCR to confirm. Okay, and if you one more most important thing in this, I feel, is the improper usage and unscientific disposal of these used kits. So once you use these kits, they've given a biohazard bag. So you have to put all of those contents within that bag. But where to discard this? That is the issue. So if you mix it with your municipal solid waste, so this is nothing but the household waste which you throw it daily, and the city municipal corporation will come and collect your waste daily. But if you throw it within that, it can lead to other complicated issues. So definitely this has to be addressed, how to manage this biohazard waste. Okay, this is definitely a biohazard bin has to be used here for managing this, and definitely the CMC will have to take initiative on this for collecting this biohazard related waste separately, and definitely people's cooperation is required for this. So coming to few takeaway messages, the cost of this kit will be approximately 250 rupees. So this is quite cost effective in comparison with RT-PCR, which is around 500 to 1500 rupees, and the lab RAT kits which are available, which is around 300 to 900 rupees. So one more thing is that to have this particular kit with you, there is no prescription that is required, and if the positive result is seen, you need not do even a RT-PCR. So this is given as per ICMR. And this is the country's first kit that has been developed, and you can conduct this test within 2-3 minutes and you will get your results within 15 minutes. And it's a very simple kit, and they have the system, the AI powered system, in such a way that it even gives you an alarm after 15 minutes to check your results. And again, you can click a photo, upload it, and get your report easily at your fingertips. So the results are even monitored by MyLab mobile app, which can be easily downloaded, as I told you, and it is also submitted to the ICMR portal for traceability. So definitely this will help in reducing the testing lab requirements, and it will also reduce the delay in your test results, and definitely it will help us in reducing the severity of this particular disease. So small steps can definitely help in combating this disease. So if you use this kit effectively, it is a very good kit which can be utilized by patients, those who feel that they are symptomatic and who have been in close contact with these kind of patients. So these are the references that I used for making this particular PPT. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel for more updates.